Right. So yeah, in the last class, we have successfully discussed about why everybody using frameworks, what is the necessity of frameworks, okay, what framework will provide by default. All those things we have discussed in the last class. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Okay. Right. This is what we have successfully discussed. Okay. Right. So now today class we are going to discuss about the remaining topics. Okay. Right. So now see here everybody. First of all, I will tell the description of the Angular one more time. So Angular is nothing but Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. So nowadays everybody is using frameworks only to develop their applications. Nowadays everybody using frameworks only to develop their applications. Okay, right. So why everybody using is because if you want to develop an application, we need to take care of security, performance, and SEO-friendly URLs. So the security also, okay, performance also, SEO-friendly URLs also. Okay, so by default we don't get that related code. Whenever we write code by our own, then only we'll get it. But to write the code, if you choose any core language, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Depends upon your application level and standards. Okay, then only you can start real-time application building. But same structure, whatever the security related structure, performance related structure, and SEO friendly URLs related structure. Okay, so whatever is required, if you are developing manually, it will take 3 to 6 months time. But if you choose any framework, that structure will come automatically. Basic structure will come automatically. Depends upon that structure, we need to enhance the application. So to download the framework, it does not take 3 to 6 months time. Only 5 seconds. Sorry, 5 to 10 minutes maximum it will take. Then within 10 to 15 minutes, we can change the basic settings also. Within 10 to 15 minutes, we can change the basic
Basically.
settings also. Okay. Then immediately we can write the application. So that what happens, our application is developing faster. So whenever application is developing faster, client also releases the funds faster. So that we'll get funds faster. So that's why every company is preferring nowadays, okay, frameworks. Okay, because application development will be very easy. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Application.
Okay. Right. This is one thing. So this about these things, frameworks under okay, this thing. Right. Why everybody is using this. So why we need to take care of security, performance, and friendly URLs is, for example, if without security, what happens? Every user account will be hacked. Okay, every user account will be hacked. Then what happens? Every user lost interest in your application, they will uninstall your application also. If it is money transaction app, they don't uninstall, but they will file a case. Why they don't uninstall is to get proofs only. But if it is any social media or something like that, they will uninstall immediately. Facebook, Twitter, if there is anything happened, immediately they will uninstall. But if there's something happened in the phone pay, what happens? They don't uninstall, but first of all, they will file a case also. Okay, everybody? Right. So without security, you will lose the users, and not only that, you will need to face some legal issues also. Right. Then after why we need to take care of performance. For example, your application is very secure, but in order to perform any type of operation, okay, it is taking 3 to 4 hours time. Then what happens? Users will lose interest in your application, so they will uninstall. There is no problem in hacking, but your application is working very late. Other applications are working faster. They are secure also. Then what happens? Everybody prefers the other application only. Then also you will lose the users. So security also important, performance also important. Both are important. We cannot tell what is important more. Both are equally important, security and performance. Then after SEO friendly URLs. For example, if anybody knew about any application, what they will do? They will search in the Google. So in that case, Google should understand, Google should recognize your application. That purpose we need to do SEO, search engine optimization. That SEO depends upon meta tags, meta keywords, all those things. Okay, everybody, that SEO depends upon meta tags, meta keywords, all those things. Not only that, title also important, URLs also important. So the SEO friendly URLs, whatever required, that type of URLs we need to generate. Okay, by programming only. Okay, everybody, right. So this is the necessity of the SEO friendly URLs also. So all those things will come with the basic structure by using any framework. That basic structure we can enhance so that we can develop our application faster also. Not only that, every framework has to follow some standards. So since that framework is following the standards, automatically your application also will be in standards. Understanding and understand everyone. If the mango is tasty, then automatically juice also will be tasty.
Yes, sir.
Understand it, everyone. Okay. If mango is tasty, then automatically juice also will be tasty. In the same way, okay, everybody, in the same way, if your framework is in following standards, then your application also will be in standards. That's it. Okay, everyone. Right. So that's it. Now, then after what type of technology it is? Client-side technology. In our software industry, we have two types of technologies. We have two types of technologies. What are they? Client-side technologies and server-side technologies. Okay, everybody, what are they? Client-side technologies and server-side technologies. Then what is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies? What is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies? So the client-side technologies are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By using this, what we can do? We can store our data temporarily. What is it, everybody? Temporarily, not permanently. Okay, everybody? We can store our data temporarily. Yeah, not permanently. But by using server-side technologies, we can store our data permanently. Okay, right. So first of all, we'll discuss about client-side technologies. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, right? Yes, how we can store our data temporarily? If you want to store your data temporarily, first of all, we need to enter the data, right, everyone? We need to enter the data. So when the user can enter the data, whenever there is an interface, what is that, everybody? Whenever there is an interface, then the user can enter the data. How to create that user interface? How to create that user interface?
By using
text box.
technologies.
No, yeah, okay, front-end technologies, but by using HTML only. Okay, by using HTML only. We can CSS, it is for styling the interface only, not to create the interface. Okay.
Sir, మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Voice break అవుతుందా? Right. 1 second.
Good, sir, your voice.
One second. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Now clear, right? Kalyan, is it clear now? Okay. Right. See here, everybody, what is this? Yeah. By using HTML, what we can do? We can create the user interface. And whatever the interface you have created, if you want to style that, we need to use CSS. Clear it, everybody? Right. That's it. So how to create that interface? To enter the data, only two ways, either by text boxes or text area. Why? Because radio button, we cannot enter the data, just we need to select the data. Already there is data, the data we need to select. But text box and text area, there we can enter whatever the data we want. So by using text box and everything, we can enter the interface also. Or we can create the, we can enter the data. By using HTML, we can create the text box. If you want to style the text box, then we need to use the CSS. Understand it, everyone? Right. So once the user enter the data in the text box, then what we can do? We cannot do anything by using HTML and CSS. We cannot do anything with the HTML and CSS after entering the data. After entering data, we cannot do anything after, okay, by using HTML and CSS. If you want to do anything, that means if you want to store at least temporarily also, we should use JavaScript only. Understand, everybody? We should use JavaScript only. To store the data temporarily also, we should use JavaScript, either by cookies, local storage, and session storage. We can store the data permanently. Clear it, everyone? Clear as well? Hello?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, Kalyan, is my voice is clear for you? Hello, Kalyani. Still my voice is clear for you, or still it is breaking? Okay, she has some internet problem. Right. That's it. Okay. Right. So however, we are storing our data temporarily. And by using server-side technology, we can store our data permanently. How we can store our data permanently? Very simple. If you want to store your data permanently, permanently. We need to store the data in a database. Okay, if you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. Clear it, everyone? We need to store the data in a database. So the technologies which have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. The technologies, okay, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Okay, those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Okay, everyone, please respond. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Hello, respond.
Okay.
Right. What are the examples of server-side technologies? C,
Java.NET.
C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, okay, Node.js, Python, Ruby on Rails. Those are all server-side technologies only. Why? Because we are able to connect to at least one database. For example, by using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. By using PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL. By using Java, we are able to connect with the Oracle. Right, everyone? Please respond. Hello? Right. So, yeah, that is about this thing. Okay, right. So, what is the advantage of storing our data in the database? Of course, that is not our topic, but just some extra knowledge purpose I'm telling. Okay. So, what is the advantage of storing our data in the database? Respond, everybody. What are the advantages of storing our data in the database?
Security.
Okay, security,
To maintain the history of the data,
history of the data.
employees information or
Okay, right.
customers information.
Yes, very good. So now the thing is there are some important points related to storing our data in the database. First thing is data is permanent and data is secure. Okay, everybody, data is permanent and data is secure. If you want to delete the data, we need to delete it manually by writing code. Okay, like that. Until and unless the data is permanent and it is secure also. And the other thing is data can be accessible very faster because we will organize the data. So, okay, second thing is what we are able to organize our data so that we can access our data faster. We can organize our data so that we can access our data faster. Sir, how we need to organize? So give me a second, let me drink water. Sorry. So how we need to organize? Okay, right. Very simple. How we need to organize is, for example, however, we are organizing our home. For example, we are organizing our home, right? So, for example, you have salt also, gas stove also, okay, pillow, bed, and everything, and soaps and okay, body washes and everything also, shampoos also. But where will you keep all those things? Will keep in a single room? Respond, everybody. All
No.
those no. Okay, what we'll do? We'll divide into multiple rooms, right? So, gas stove, salt will keep in our kitchen. Okay, these pillows and beds will keep in our bedroom. Okay, soaps and shampoos will keep in our washroom. So what are we doing? We are organizing. Then after what happens if you want to find, for example, you want to eat salt. Okay, then what happens? You will go to the kitchen. There you will find it. Why? All eatable related things we will keep in the kitchen only. Okay, rather than that, if you keep everything in the same place, what happens? In order to get any single object, also we need to refer entire objects. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, right. This is called organizing. So here also, if you want to organize our data, we need to keep our data in the database. But we cannot keep in a database directly. We need to create in a table. We need to store in a table. Understand, everyone? We need to store in a table. So is only one table is enough? No, that is not the correct thing. One table it is not enough. Okay, everybody? One table it is not enough. So depends upon a requirement, we need to create the tables. So for example, users data will store in the users table. Products data will store in the products table. Categories data will store in the categories table. Understand, everybody? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Right. I will store in that this thing only. Okay. I will store in that particular area only. In that particular table only. So then what happens if you want to retrieve data of the users? We'll write only users related query. Select start from users only. So that what happens that request will go to that particular users table only. So that we can access our data faster. Rather than that, if you store in a single table, what happens? We will get all the data, and we cannot get one particular type of data also. If you want to get particular type of data also, it will take lot of time because the data is very huge. So that's why we need to divide our application into, sorry, our database into tables so that we can get our data faster. Right, that is called one thing. Second advantage. And the other advantage is it will add dynamic behavior for our data. Dynamic behavior means if you change in one place, if it will affect other place also. For example, you have 100 pages. In all 100 pages, okay, some data is common. Then what I will do, that common data I will keep, sorry, in that all 100 pages, all the data is common. Okay. Then what I will create a table for the common data. I will keep all the data there. And I will open all 100 pages. In all 100 pages, I will write the database query. Select start from users or else select start from pages. Okay, something like that. Of course, in first day, it will take 1 hour time or else 1.5 hour time because I need to write the same query in 100 pages. But next day, client told suddenly, I want to add one more paragraph also. Then what I will do? I no need to open all the pages, all 100 pages. Just will manipulate in the database related table. Automatically it will affect in all 100 pages also. Clear it, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Clear.
Okay, right. So what is this? Dynamic behavior only. What is this, everybody? Dynamic behavior only. Understanding and understanding. We are manipulating in one particular place. What is that? Pages table. But it is affecting all 100 pages also. This is called dynamic behavior. Kalyan, is it clear? Chiru?
Yes, sir, your voice is clear for me, sir.
No. I'm asking subject.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. Kalyani, you are muted. Kalyani, you are muted. Okay, right. This is completed successful. Okay, right. Very good. Then after, yeah. Okay, we can hear dynamic behavior. Another thing is, other advantage is no need to do the same work multiple times. What is that, everybody? No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, there is Mintra. Wait a second. Okay, everybody, there is Mintra. Okay, right. So now I want to purchase the shirts. So can you purchase the shirt directly? Respond kindly. Can you purchase the shirt directly?
No.
Okay, any one of the product we are not able to purchase directly. What I need to do? I need to log in. Can I log in directly? No, I need to register.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you are registering, what happens? They will open a form. In that form, we will enter the data. Then what happens? They will store, after entering the data, they will store your data in their database. So next time onwards, what happens if you want to purchase another shirt? Okay, yeah, put yourself mute. Yes, Chiru, right. If you want to purchase another shirt, then what happens? No need to register. Okay, what is that, everybody? No need to register. Okay, just you need to log in. If you don't log out previously, you don't need to log in also. Right. So that means you are registering only one time in your entire life. Okay, in your entire life, you are registering only one time. Then what is happening? Okay, then what is happening? Next time onwards, it is not asking you to register again. Next time onwards, it is not asking you to register again. Okay, everybody, right? Next time onwards, it does not ask you to register again. So, but okay, right. This is called, this is what I am telling. So we are not registering each and every time whenever you want to purchase a clothes. Each and every time whenever you want to purchase the clothes, no need to register each and every time. One time if you register, how many times you want, you can purchase clothes from that application. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello?
Yes.
Right. Why this is happening? Because whenever you are registering, they are storing your data in their database. So that's why they are not asking to register again and again also. Right. Very good. This is completed. And then after, what is there? 1 second, wait. Yeah. Everybody can see the same information. For example, you have opened Wikipedia. What is it, everybody? You have opened Wikipedia. You are reading an article about Mike Tyson. and somebody also opened Wikipedia, he is also reading an article about Mike Tyson, but he is reading from US, we are reading from India. Both will see the same data or different data?
Same data.
Same data. Why? Because they are storing their data in their database. So whenever it is required, they are calling and everybody can see the same data. If anybody updated also, they can see the updated data only. Okay, everyone, that's it. Okay, hello, respond please everybody.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, clear.
Yes. Okay, everybody, right. That's it, everybody. Okay, so this is the advantage of storing our data in the database. Of course, ours is not server-side technology, ours is client-side technology. So if it is a client-side technology, what happens? We are not able to connect with the database directly. Sorry, we are not able to connect with the database. Without connect to the database, can we able to retrieve the data? That means can we deal with the data? Respond everyone. Without connecting to the database, can we deal with the data?
No, sir.
No. So without dealing with the data, dealing with the data, can I display the data? Can I display the data? No. So without displaying the data, any user will come to your application. For example, you are coming to the class. I am also coming to the class. I am not speaking anything. You are also not speaking anything. Then can you pay the fee tomorrow? Respond everyone. If I don't speak anything, no. Why? Because no data transaction between us. No data transaction between us. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. No data transaction between us. Okay, everybody, no data transaction between us. Okay. So same way, whenever there is no data, no users will come your application. For example, you have opened this Myntra. Today you are opening 100 times, but no data is no product is displaying. Nothing is displaying. Not only products, nothing is displaying. 100 times you have tried today. Okay, but nothing is displaying. Okay, not only you 100 persons also opened same application, but nothing is displaying. Do they open a second time? Second day, do you open the application? Respond everyone.
No, sir.
No. So out of 100, only 10% people open second day. So second day also the 10% people, okay, opened that application 200 times. First day to 100 times, but second day 200 times they have opened. But still, no product is displaying. Do you open third day? Out of 10, only 1% will you open third day. Third day also he has opened 400 times, but no single product also displaying. Then what happens? Fourth day, nobody opens. So
Opens.
day by day, yeah, day by day, the users are reducing because there is no data. Because there is no data. Okay, everybody, right? So without data, no value for the application. So ours also client-side technology. If it is a client-side technology, we are not able to deal with the data directly. Okay, we are not able to deal with the database directly. Okay, so without dealing the database, we are not able to display the data. We are not able to display the data. Then what is the necessity of this application framework? Then what is the necessity of the application? Sorry, framework. So generally, we are not able to. Yeah, 1 second, wait. Yeah, generally we are not able to deal with the data directly, but indirectly we are able to deal with this. Understand everybody? Directly we are not able to deal, but indirectly we are able to deal it. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, but indirectly we are able to deal it. How we are able to indirectly deal with this? REST APIs. What is it, everybody? REST APIs. Okay, right. So what is the importance of this REST APIs? Where are we using in real world? For example, in your real world also daily we are using this REST APIs, at least daily once. If you open your mobile phone also, you will see that related things. So where are we using that REST API? Respond everyone.
And booking the IRCTC.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Then
API. Book a movie ticket. And booking a movie ticket.
yes, booking a movie ticket. Yes, perfect, everybody. Right. Actually, phone pay. What is that, everybody? Phone pay. Of course, each and every mobile application works depends upon the REST API only. Why? Because mobile applications developed by either by using Android or else by using iOS. Both are client side only, not server side. So the server side programmers has to provide the data in the form of REST APIs to deal with the data. Okay, right. And especially I'm going to discuss with the phone pay. So by using phone pay, can you able to sorry by using phone pay, can you able to make your electricity bill or not? Respond everyone. Can you able to bill your electricity bill or not? Respond everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay,
Phone.
right. So how you will pay the electricity bill? By entering service number. What is it, everybody? By entering service number. Clear it, everybody? By entering
Yeah,
service
sir.
number. So who is providing service numbers? Phone pay is providing, or electricity department is providing? Electricity department is providing. Whenever you construct a home, you will send a request to the electricity department. Sir, please give me internet connection. Sorry, please give me electricity connection because I want to purchase a home here. I want to construct a home here, like that. Then after what they will do, they will arrange a meter for the electricity meter. That meter they will assign a serial number or service number also. Understand, everyone? By using
Yes.
that service number, we can pay our electricity bill. So electricity department is providing the service number and all those things. So electricity department is taking your data. So electricity department has to store your data in their database. But how we are seeing the same data in the phone pay? How means this phone pay persons are requesting the electricity department to provide their data. So then electricity department will check their terms and conditions. Then they will share the data with the phone pay. You need to follow some rules and regulations. That means phone pay application and electricity department application both are not running from the same database. Both are different databases. Both are running from different servers only. But still we are able to access that electricity department related data. How? Because through REST APIs, electricity department, okay, is sharing the data with the phone pay. So since the data is available, whenever any user search for the data, then automatically, okay, it will display the data. And not only that, you can pay your LIC premium also. So who is providing LIC policy number? LIC is providing you, not the phone pay. But whenever you enter your policy number, whenever you register, then immediately you can pay the bill. Why? Because LIC persons are sharing the information with the phone pay. Not only that, book my show. By using book my show, we can purchase our movie tickets also. That means book my show and phone pay both are running from the same application. No, both are running from the different applications. But still we are able to make our payment to book my show because there is a data transaction between there. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. This is
Yeah, clear.
advantage of the REST APIs. So what is the advantage of REST API? Application is one, we can perform multiple tasks. Previously, for example, think you want to pay electricity department bill, you want to pay LIC bill, and you want to recharge your mobile. Then what is the thing you need to do? Previous days, we need to go to the mobile recharge shop first. So there we need to purchase 30 rupees, 50 rupees card, dollars, that person will recharge. Okay, that is completed. Okay, so if there is crowd, at least we need to wait there 5 to 10 minutes in the mobile shop. Maximum 20 minutes also. Okay, right. So nowadays we can recharge from our home only. That is reduced. And then what happens? Previously, if you want to recharge, we need to go to the mobile store. There we need to wait. There we need to recharge. From there we need to go to the electricity department. Okay, we need to go to the electricity department because there only we are able to pay the payment. So there will be lot of crowd also will be there. Then we need to wait in the line at least 2 to 3 hours. Then only we are able to make our payment. Okay, so 2 to 3 hours means complete half day is completed. Then after we need to take our lunch. Then we need to go to the LIC. There also huge crowd will be there. There also we need to wait at least 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 hours. That means again half day also completed. That means entire day is closed to complete only two tasks. What is that? Electricity bill and LIC bill. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. That means we are not able to complete our work. Okay, other work if we have, we are not able to complete. Only 2 works only we are able to complete that particular day. But nowadays what happens? No need to go anywhere. For example, we can open our internet and we can sit in our washroom also. There we can complete all our work. We can recharge our mobile. We can pay our electricity bill. We can pay our LIC bill also. Where? Through phone pay. So within 15 minutes, all the work will be completed. Not only 15 minutes, less than 10 minutes only it will complete it. Previous days, entire day we need to waste there. But now, just within 10 minutes, By sitting in our washroom, we are completing that without postponing or without delaying our personal works. That's it. This is the advantage of the mobile application service REST APIs also. Okay, each and every mobile application runs through REST APIs only. This is the advantage. So then, who is providing these REST APIs? The server-side programmers provide us REST APIs. What is that, everybody? Server-side programmers provide us REST APIs. So by using this REST APIs, what we can do? We can develop the mobile applications. Okay, right. Now, what is the necessity of mobile applications and web applications? Of course, web applications are also important. Mobile applications also important. What is the necessity of the web applications and mobile applications in the world? Respond, everyone. If there is no web applications and mobile applications in the world, what can happen? If there is no web applications and mobile applications in the world, what is the loss? Respond, everybody. What is the loss if there is no web application and mobile applications?
In every sector, there is going to be a huge impact in banking or healthcare.
Yes, there will be huge impact also. Everything will be collapses because each and everything nowadays running through web applications and mobile applications. Web applications and mobile applications are running through internet. If there is no internet, or else if there is internet also, no applications are there. Web applications and mobile applications. Then what happens? It will be very disturbing. For example, banking. Previous days nobody uses banks. Before 30 years, 40 years, everybody started using banks. And the last 10 years, everybody using banks also more frequently. Okay, last 10 to 15 years. Okay, in a home also there is how many persons are there. That many, all the persons are maintaining the bank accounts. For example, mother is there. She has to maintain a bank account for her government needs. Okay, Dwakra or else any other things. A father is there. He also gets some benefits from the government, like crop loan. Okay, crop loan. Okay, crop loans also, or else canceling the crop loans also. Whatever it may be, he has to maintain a bank account. And kids are there. That means children are there. They are also reading any graduation. They also get some benefits from the government, like scholarships or else fee reimbursement like that. Then what happens? Respond, everybody. Then what happens? They need to maintain a bank account. For example, if no banking application is running properly through internet, what happens? Everybody has to go to the banks personally. If everybody going to personally, then what happens? There will be huge crowd. So whenever there is huge crowd, your work does not complete in a single day. It will take lot of days also. So that what happens? It will delay your money transaction process. Then what happens? Everybody stops using banks. Everybody keep their money in their home only. Everybody withdraw rather. So what is the disadvantage? Black money will be increases. Okay, previous days everybody keep their money in their home only. So there is no tracking of the amount money in everyone's home. Then what happens? Nobody pays the tax also. But nowadays what is happening? Most of the time people are storing their money in the banks. So there is at least little bit tracking also there. Understanding or not? Respond, everyone. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So why this is happening? Because we are providing money transaction through online. So previous days what happens if you want to transfer the money? For example, you want to transfer 10 lakhs rupees. Okay, so to different persons. 1 lakh for one person, 50,000 for one person, 3.5 lakh to some other person. Like that you want to transfer the money. What happens if there is no internet? We need to go to the bank manually. We need to fill the forms. Okay, deposit forms manually by collecting their account numbers. Then after we need to wait in the queue 2 to 3 hours. And then we need to go to that counter area and we need to deposit the money by checking each and every one this thing also. And then after we need to inform them. Then they need to confirm. If anybody make any single mistake, everything will be collapses. But nowadays what is happens? We can go to the bank, we can deposit that 10 lakhs in our own account only. Okay, and we can confirm our account also. Not only that, within fraction of minutes we will get the message also. Money is deposited like that. Then after what happens? Whomever I want to transfer the money, one time I will add his account, and throughout the lifetime I can transfer the money. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, right. So the advantage is what? We are doing our money transaction work very faster. And not only that, we can track our money transactions also. For example, previous days, if you deposit 1 lakh, you have spent up to 10 days. Now you got one doubt. How much money you have in your account? Then we need to go to the bank with a passbook. Then after, they will give a printer. Before internet, what happens? They will write in your book. If that person make any mistake, what happens? That's it. Again and again, we need to go to the bank. We need to correct our mistakes. But nowadays, no need to go to any other place also. Just we need to log into our account. There we can see our money transaction report. Everything, every paisa will be displayed there. Every paisa will be displayed there. Clear it, everyone? Clear response.
Yeah,
Every
clear.
paisa will be okay. Every paisa will be displayed there only. So how much money you deposited, how much you are transfer, how much you have kept, okay, present you have, everything they will display. Why this is happening? Because of the web applications and mobile applications. Okay, if there is no web applications or mobile applications, all these works we need to do it manually. So it will delay our process. And not only banking related things. Previous days, if you want to prepare for civils, we need to go to the Delhi. Okay, manually going to Delhi manually 3 days, coming back 3 days. To stay in Delhi at least 2 to 3 days. So totally 10 days I need to spend. If you are very poor person, if your money, if your home is running, depends upon your income only. So 10 days we cannot take the leverage. Then what happens? I need to kill my dream to prepare for civils. But nowadays no need to go to any other place. Just we can order from our mobile. If you don't have smartphone, you can go to any internet also. You can request that person. He can order the books for you. After within 1 week, you will get that books. You can collect by paying the money. Then what happens? Morning to evening you can work. Evening to midnight you can read. Midnight to morning you can sleep. And in the morning again you can go to your work. If you are very talented, without okay leaving your job, you can go to the civils also. But previous days, we need to go to Delhi and we need to collect the books from there only. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Hello?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, right. So that is the advantage of the technology. Now we are getting books through online. How? Because of the web applications and mobile applications. Okay, right. Not only serious like banking transactions or else books or something like that. For example, for your personal needs. For example, you want to purchase a body wash or else face wash, which is not available in your local town. Then you can order through online. You can fulfill your small personal interest also. Okay, right. For example, you want to purchase a branded clothes that is not available in your local area. Previous days, we need to go to the town, sorry, big city. Okay, like Hyderabad or Guntur, Vijayawada, something like that. So the shirt is 1000 rupees. To go to Hyderabad, it is 500 rupees. To come back from the Hyderabad, it is 500 rupees. So totally 1000 rupees. To stay there and eat, it will take 2000 rupees. So to purchase 1000 rupees shirt, we need to spend extra 3000 to 4000 extra. So, but nowadays what happens? No need to go to any place manually. Just we need to open the web applications or mobile applications. We can order the clothes, whatever we want. Whatever the brand also we can purchase. Okay. So that what happens? As a customer, you are benefiting. As a business person, for example, I have a shop which is branded. So I also will be benefited because I can sell more clothes. Whoever coming to my shop, I can sell to them, and who I can sell through online also. So it will be very more beneficial for me. Clear it, everybody? So this is the advantage of the web applications and mobile applications in the world. The entire world is running through web applications and mobile applications only. Okay, everybody. So farmers, soldiers, and the software engineers are very important nowadays in the world. Understanding or not? Respond, please. Don't be silent.
Yeah,
Farmers,
clear.
soldiers. Okay. So software engineers are very important nowadays in the world. Okay, right. So that is the importance of the web applications and mobile applications. Okay, everybody, right? These web applications and mobile applications also we can develop through Angular. Of course, our course is web applications. Okay, I will tell you that. So, okay, that's it, everybody. This is necessity of the web applications and mobile applications. Then we have only 5 minutes. We cannot explain about this MVC structure. So tomorrow class, I will explain about this MVC structure. Understand, everybody? Tomorrow class I
Yeah.
will explain about this MVC structure and what is the difference between JavaScript or TypeScript. Also tomorrow class I will explain you. Okay, then after I will start the TypeScript classes first. Then after I will discuss with you Angular. Okay, right. That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. We'll meet on tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Okay, bye, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Yes, thank you very much.